So I had a bath and got into my 1950s night dress and jacket. Now I'm just putting on the washing load, making a mess, and whacking that on. And it's on. What you do is just throw everything in and wish it luck. Right, and now to my outfit of the day. So this is my 1950s dressing gown that I took off. It's really thick and lovely. And I'm wearing my vintage night dress as well. Just making my bed quickly. Just making my bed. There's my 1960s night dress. 1950s. I'm not entirely sure, top of my head. So recently I had a problem with my leg, so I need to put some cream on it. I can go in. I had cellulitis in my leg, which was weird. So that is a thing I had. I've got pictures of it if anyone wants me to go into more detail and talk about it. As I've got an ongoing health problem with varicose veins. So once I did that, I put on my made-to-measure stockings where it has the grippy stuff on the top, which I love. It normally takes about 6 to 9 months to get these. So I got a new pair and I'm just so happy. Wouldn't believe. Like, these are just amazing. So I'm just going to pop these on. Outfit time. So it is cold outside, so I have got myself a thick Scottish skirt. It's what it's called, as it says in the tag. It's from Scotland, and it's thick and it's red and it's lovely. And then I'm going to pair it with a red turtleneck, because it's cold. So that's what I'm doing. Right, here's my outfit. Just tucking in my shirt underneath, as it's cold. And then I need to go sort out my hair. So I'm just going to put my hair up in a hair bubble, use my vintage hairbrush. Now, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I've dyed my hair from red to orange or ginger. And let me know what you think. Just getting the little bits right. And then putting it in a nice pie ponytail. Alright, my hair's all up. Grab my headphones. These are now noise cancelling headphones. I love them. I wear them absolutely everywhere and anywhere. They're like 30 quid off Amazon and they're comfortable and it just helps me deal with the world. It's too noisy and it's just nice to use them to zone out my glasses. And then I'm just going to grab my scarf, wrap it around myself, because at the minute I've got a bit of a chesty cough, so I'm trying to fight it as much as I can. I don't know if you can hear my voice. And then I'm going to grab my nice red coat. I've got some new things from like World War II original, so I'll show you that at some point. And yeah, this is my lovely red coat I got from the charity shop, which I love. It's just so stylish, and I think I got for £1, so happy days. And then this is me ready to go on a dog walk. Da da da. And then me walking a doggy wuggy. Out in a dog walk, out in a dog walk. Do 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 do. And it was a really nice sunny day. It just wasn't warm. You know, it's just one of those British weathers where it's sunny but freezing. And yeah, I had a lovely little walk with a dog. I had my music on. And it was just a nice little walk. And then to deal with the cold, I come home and have a nice cup of tea. Because, you know, it is to warm up after a dog walk. You know, give you the chills. So a nice cup of tea. And then this is my last day at work. This was Christmas. As you work in hospitality, every day is Christmas, or at least once a week. So all dressed up and ready to go. And that is my vlog for the week.